Hello everyone, we are the group 3. Today, we are going to talk about the oscilloscope and how to use it. Oscilloscope is an instrument used to display and analyze waveform of electronic signals. Let's first set up the oscilloscope by plugging in power and turn it on by pressing the power button. Then, let's get the probes out. There are two of them with different indicators, the yellow one and the blue one. Yellow probes are for yellow ports. Blue probes are for blue ports. Plug in the yellow probe into the yellow port. Since we don't need to use channel 2, we can leave the blue probe alone for now. Now, for the yellow probe. We have to set it for 10K or 10,000 ohms. Here's the 1K and here's 10K. What we should do next is to factory reset the oscilloscope. First, press the storage button. And then press the button on the side of the screen beside waveform. And then turn the knob to traverse through the options. Once you have selected factory, press the knob to confirm. Then press the third blue button to look. Next is to connect the yellow probe into the box circuit. The ground's at the bottom and the positive at the top, and then press auto, and here's what you see on the monitor. Turn up channel 2 and then adjust its position for better view. We can also adjust how far it is by zooming in and zooming out. Now, let's go to the analog experiment. Let's start by plugging in power. For this experiment, we will be using the voltage AC supply. Insert a connecting wire into the ground and into the 15 volts. Make sure that the other end of the connecting wire is 15 volts. After that, go to the oscilloscope and disconnect the probes in the circuit box. Set the probe in the oscilloscope to be multiplied by 10. Then connect the probe to the connecting wires. Turn on the power by pressing the power button in the analog experimenter. Now, we see the sine waves in display. We can measure voltage by pressing the second blue button. Here, we have maximum voltage, minimum voltage, peak-to-peak voltage, top voltage, base voltage, amplitude voltage, average voltage, root mean square voltage, overshoot, and undershoot. Let's try selecting root mean square voltage. As you can see, our root mean square voltage is 19.5 volts. Let's try peak-to-peak voltage, which has 53.6 voltage. We can also measure the time. Here, we have the period, frequency, rise time, fall time, and among others. Let's try selecting frequency. As you can see, it is 60 Hz. Let's try period, and it shows 16.80 milliseconds. That is all on how to use an oscilloscope. I hope you enjoyed and learned from this video. And I'll see you again next time. Bye!